Hi, how to assemble a smart lock. Step 1, making sure that the arrow is pointing to the direction that the slider is sliding open. So this side is open, this side is in a closed position. It needs to point to the open position. So step 1 is this. Step 2, connect. Push it all the way in. Okay, so you want to push the wires all the way in. Step 4, the core. Don't tighten it too much. Let it just a little loose. Step 4, we want to push this all the way in. Step 5, secure the back. Step 6, the cover. Before you put the cover in, you want to put the spring all the way in. Connect this with this. Put the cover in, put the screws in, and now you can tighten all the screws. Thank you.